Good afternoon, Beacon here with Techout. So I recently lost my left AirPod, so I did reorder another one from Apple, and I just wanted to show you guys what the process is like for reordering one single AirPod to replace a damaged or lost one. So first thing, you have to contact Apple support. You can't just order this on your own. You just contact Apple support, tell them that you lost one of the AirPods or one of them is damaged, or you lost the case or whatever piece you're missing, and they will ask left or right AirPod, ask where you live, your zip code, and then they will email you a payment link so you can click on that. It'll take you to the Apple website. You make a payment for the AirPod, shipping and tax, and then they will ship you out one single AirPod, which is what is in here. They did overnight this, so it did come pretty quickly, which is nice because I only paid a few bucks in shipping. I think the total was $80 some. The AirPod itself was $69, and then tax and shipping, which will probably vary based on where you live and your taxes and stuff like that. So let's see. Go ahead and open this up. Wow. The cardboard packaging just went everywhere. Whew. So it doesn't come in anything fancy, it just comes in a little box right there. Everything else in there is just the receipt. Let's see. So you just have the part number and everything on the top right there. Go ahead and open this up. There is no weight to this box, so it's not as easy to open. There we go. So you have some pairing instructions in the bottom there. I'll get my case here in a second. We'll pair it. And then right here you have one left AirPod. So it says to put them both in the case, plug it in, and push the button until the light, I guess, blinks twice, is what that's saying. So let's get the case and try it. Okay, so here's my other AirPod. Here is the new AirPod. Go ahead and slip that down in there. I'm going to try this without plugging it in. You can see the light is flashing, probably because they're not paired. It's flashing red. Just want to hold the button. And it's blinking, so let's close it. Still blinking. Let's try to take one out and see what happens. Okay, so it turned green. It is still blinking. Let me grab my phone and see if they paired. Yep, so as you can see right here, both of them have paired successfully. We have the left, the right, and the case. So everything is good to go. That was really simple, and not a big deal if you lose one, as long as you have a few bucks laying around to replace it. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.